Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another OS operating system. Today we're gonna take a look into this upgrading of our Linux Mint from our Linux Mint 21.3 to 22. We're gonna do some upgrading right now. Come on, let's go. I think I have this since 2020, and of course until now, after several years, I'll be using this. I'll let you see. I'll use the terminal so that you could see what's in it. I still have the Neo Fetch, of course. There it is. So it's been quite a while that I've used this IdealPad 3 Lenovo, and of course I just opened this one because I remember that the Linux Mint 22 is already up and running, and I want to upgrade this and take a look into this Linux Mint 22. So let's go to the, let me see what kind of browser I'll be using. Probably I'll be using the Brave browser right now. Okay, let's go to our Brave browser, Linux mint.com. So let's try to update my operating system, because Linux Mint is one of the easiest, friendliest for beginners operating system based on the Linux kernel. And of course I have to upgrade this, but I will not use the ISO, but I have to go to the blog so that I will update this. So how to upgrade to Linux Mint 22 from Linux Mint 21.3. So let's go to this upgrade link. We are now in our latest page, how to upgrade the Linux Mint 21.3 to 22. Let's open the terminal. Okay, I love the wobbly thing. So let me increase that one so that you could see. You can paste this one by highlighting on this particular command and then copy it, and then go back to your terminal and then click paste and then hit enter. And of course you will be asked for your super secret password, which is, I will enter it. So it will give you some information that it is already updated, but some errors. Okay, this is for the Google Earth. Oh yes, maybe in a while I'll do the Google Earth application. So I have some errors in upgrading our stable Google Earth, so no problem with that one. So let's click again this one and then copy, and then let's paste it again right here and then hit enter. Of course we will try to continue that one to upgrade. Alright, we have now the system. Let me copy this one again, go back right here and then hit enter. So we have now the upgrade Wilma. So let's try to go to our upgrade. Let's click this one. So we could like minimize this one too. And then for preparation, blah 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 thing, all the tests is going on. So let's click this one. So it is upgrading right now. Okay, let's check back again. We have some errors. Probably it's the internet connection. Again, we have an error. So to fix this, we have to do it again. I have to do the update again. Okay. The Google Earth is still having some errors. So let me see. It gave me some errors. I have to do some troubleshooting first. Restore, yes. Let's restore everything. Ooh, another error. Okay. It's still the Google Earth deb. Okay. Okay, let's enable that one. Okay. Okay, let's try to see if we have some errors again. If you don't have some errors, of course, you could just go on. But I have to check on this one. I think I have some errors due to my previous installation of Google Earth. So let's try it again. I hope we don't have any errors with Google Earth. Yes, we don't have any more. So let's try to upgrade now. Let's click this one. Let's go. We don't have any errors already. So let's click. Okay, if your upgrade isn't successful, of course, you could like return back to its snapshot system. So I just gonna fix this one. Yes, of course. Next, I have to make a snapshots of my system so that I could return if there's some error. And of course, let me see, daily, weekly, I think it's daily. It's okay. Close the window, of course, finished. Let's create. So it will take time, no worries. So the first time you use the snapshot, so it is a time shift that it will take your computer back to its current or this particular time, and of course it will take everything that you have so that you will not lost any particular documents or file or something else. So that is the beauty of Linux, that you could like return everything back to its original form, not like our Windows that you have some issues. Okay, we already have the snapshot, so it's active, it's okay. Let's close this one. Now let's run the package. Yes, we have successfully upgraded our system, and now we will close our terminal. Yes, we're gonna close this one, and of course we're gonna close this terminal too. We have to exit this one, and we need to cut our recording. Stop recording now, and I'll be using my action cam. Okay, let's close this one first, close this one too, and reboot. Of course, we enter our super secret password, and let us see inside our operating system. So let's try to check our operating system. Let's neo fetch this one. Alright, it is now Linux Mint 22 from our 21.3. Okay, let's close this one. Let's see. Okay, let's update this one. We have a little bit of effects going on, so we need to update that one. Okay, all systems go, which is now up to date. Let's close this one. So yeah, that's it. So that's about it for now for our OS operating system. Well, we already finished our upgrading and it is finally finished. As you can see, it is fully upgraded and of course it is successful. I hope you will join us in another OS next time. I'm Blair, your science, computer, and mathematics teacher. Catch another episode of OS next time as we ponder and continue the search for knowledge. That's why science is cool.